welcome back to my channel. This is NK. Thanks for being here. If you're new here, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my fun content. The day has finally come. My package has arrived from Peppermayo. I'm so excited because I have been working with them for a few months and they're an amazing company. If you look them up on Instagram, they have a very large social media presence and they have such quality clothes, and they are housed and headquartered in Australia. I started working with them back in July and they reached out to me and I was honestly so stunned, just because I don't have a huge following, but I do pride myself on creating very quality content, and that's just something I want to plug right now, is that it doesn't matter how big your following is, it's about the quality content that you produce. So focus on quality over quantity, and brands like Peppermayo will reach out to you. If you are curious on the other brand collabs I've had, I have worked with over 70 brands and I'm very, very thankful for that. And I also know it's because of my hard work and my commitment to putting out quality and not just putting out anything. So you can go find that on my Instagram. I actually have two Instagrams. One is now a personal account, and it is just because I've had it for such a long time, like several years. Although that's where I started building relationships with brands, I'm really thankful that because I decided to make a new one, these same brands still want to work with me, because I am still the same person. No matter what account it is, it's still me behind the camera. And I'm really happy about that. Here's the package. I mentioned this in a previous video, is that I walked you guys through my brand selection, or my monthly selects process, like on my computer, because I was wondering what I wanted, and this was like a few weeks ago, but the footage got deleted. If anyone can resonate, I feel your pain. I didn't get to show that on vlog, but I made selects. Basically what I did, and another plug, as a content creator, you should definitely be completely transparent with the brand and speak up if like you want to select something that maybe not be in stock at the time, or you know, wait for something better to come up. Because when I first looked at the first round of options, I wasn't super pleased with them. Not to say anything about them as a company, they're an amazing company and they have great clothing, and I have a bunch of their clothing now and I'm very thankful for that. It's just, given where I live and the season that we're in, I wanted it to reflect that and what is currently on my feet, which I think we can all understand. So with me bringing that up to them, they added more selects to their collection, and they added more options to their collection, and so I got to pick from those. So I'm excited to show them off right now. All right, opening the bag. They usually send over a discount code for me to use every month, and so it ranges between, and since I said it's an Australian company, so they work in obviously Australian currency, so the currency amount is in AUD, and it's either 300 to 400 depending on what they feel like at the time. I picked 3 different items with my discount and I'm so excited. Like, first and foremost, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I'm screaming. Okay. Wow, okay. This color is just giving me life. I wanted a bold blazer so badly. I have a bunch of blazers, a lot of faux leather blazers. I guess I only, or yeah, and then I have a tan blazer, a cream blazer, and a black blazer. I wanted a color really bad, and they had this beautiful blue. Ugh. Like, I'm also going to be trying them all on and showing you guys how I would pair them with outfits. So that will also be part of this video, just letting you know. So this one is called the Italian Cities Blazer in obviously blue. So it's an oversized fit. It is gorgeous. It is actually gorgeous. I mean, I cannot wait to show you guys what this looks like with an outfit. Next, we have this really cute brown dress, which I already think I know how I want to style it. This is the Sebastian linen mini dress in the color chocolate. Obviously for fall, chocolate and brown chocolate, you know, big. It's big right now. So it's so cute. Like, look at this cute detailing in the breast area, and it is a mini dress. I can see myself, and how I want to style this is with tights, like the opaque tights, and then my Chelsea boots, but then I also want to style it with my brown tall boots. Currently, my tights are on the way, so I don't have them for the video, so I think I'm going to try to style them with my brown boots and then a jacket on top. I just got a jacket, a wool jacket from Express, so I might pair that with this. We'll see how it looks. I'm gonna do that all on camera, so you guys will see it with me. And then last item, this is something I've needed for so long. So it's a good one. It is just a classic black mini skirt. Really the basics, like we all need one of these. Everyone needs one of these. You do. I have a leather one, and I have the ones that are like bodycon, but we're not talking about those. Those are completely different. Like that is a whole different scenario. We are talking about the classic black mini skirt that you can literally throw on with anything. You can layer it, you can pair it with so many things on, Pinterest, on Instagram, on TikTok. I'm seeing so many ways that people are styling this so cute, and I was like, why don't I have one yet? Anyways, the name of this item is the Vintage Town mini skirt in black, obviously. And it is so cute. I am, the ways I know I want to style this, like with a sweater vest or with an oversized sweater. I also have a black like vest situation. I'm very much looking forward to this, and I'm so happy that Peppermayo sent me these. Thank you so much, Peppermayo. You're amazing. And I can't wait to style them. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I style them right now. Okay, so this is the item that I was gifted from Peppermayo, and this is how I styled it. One of the ways. I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to style each item that I got, because I got 3 items, so I'll be showing you 6 outfits in total. So cute. This is an oversized blazer. The color is stunning, and this is how I would style it for fall and winter. So I would put a turtleneck, this is a white turtleneck, and a cute mini skirt, and then I have my boots, and I just think it is like a nice light color palette, but it still works for the season. This is outfit number 2 with the first item that Peppermayo sent me. So I decided to pair it with a crop top, and it is a long sleeve crop top as well. It ties in the back, and it's white, as you can see. Then I have these leather pants, which I love leather pants, and it's very big for the season as well. And they're high-waisted. That's how I like to wear my pants. Then I have Mark Fisher black booties with a heel, and that is the outfit. Okay, this is item number 2, which is the skirt and how I styled it. First way. So I actually really like this one. I put it all together and I was like, okay, making points. So like I said, it comes up to here. So it's a mini skirt, but it's pretty high-waisted, which I love. This shirt is thrifted, which I love that it's now coming in handy, because we've all seen this style where we only button one of the buttons. So it's like a little cute, like flirty look. It fits perfectly in the arms and everything. And then I put on this vest that I found on Amazon, and then I paired it with these tall boots from ASOS. So that is this look. I actually really like it. I think it's one of my favorites. All right, this is outfit number 2 with this item. the skirt. And I love it. I absolutely love it. The only thing I would want to add to it is opaque tights, which honestly, I have some coming actually very soon, so I will be wearing it with those, but I think it's beautiful. Like, I love the pops of color. This is a green turtleneck sweater, but it's like a cropped sweater, so it's sleeveless. And then, I mean, I absolutely love this jacket. It is an oversized faux leather blazer, and I think it just pairs so well with the dress. Like, I mean, not the dress. It pairs so well with the skirt. This is such a nice stable piece to really build on. And then the loafers, you can see those, the loafers, super cute. I love this outfit. I think it is so comfy too. Like, walk around and do whatever, and it's nice for the season. Is piece number 3 and how I'm styling it, one of the ways. So it is the brown mini dress, which is so cute and fits really, really well, very flattering. And I love this detailing on the breast area. So I decided to put on a faux leather blazer, black, because that is a nice neutral that pairs well with most things. And then I paired it with my loafers again. This is an outfit that I really do want to wear opaque tights. However, I do not have them right now, but that is, just envision me in opaque tights as well to complete the look for this season. And that is what I'd wear. Very comfy, very cute. I can see myself wearing this in many situations, out to dinner, out on the weekend, something cute. Yeah, it fits super well and I'm really happy with it. Okay, this is the final outfit. This is how I would style this dress in option 2. Just throw on a nice big cable knit cardigan and then pair it with some tall boots. And I love that these are brown as well, so they complement the dress very well. This is a very cute but cozy fit as well. I love big sweaters, and obviously that is really in this season, and it usually is in every season, just nice warm knits, and it pairs really well with the dress. I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this haul and try on. It was so much fun to film it and make it for you guys. I am planning on doing more of these because I have so many like different brands that I can showcase on these hauls. So let me know if you like this video by leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up, and definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out on any more of my content. Whoever is already subscribing, you know that my content really ranges from a lot of lifestyle, and then I share a lot of social media tips as well, but I also love fashion. So like those are my 3 big categories on my channel. So if any of those interest you, I definitely recommend subscribing so that you stay up to date on what's going on. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.